All right, so let's see this example. Very simple. A school bag is sold at 594 Ghana cedis. How much is the VAT charged on the bag if the VAT rate is 12.5%? A school bag is sold at 594 Ghana cedis. How much is the VAT charged on the bag if the VAT rate is 12.5%? You can pause the video and try the question on your own. Now, don't forget, mathematics is not a match you are watching. Please, you have to get yourself involved. Take your book, take your jotter, you can take your notebook, then you take your pen, your pencil, your calculator, you sit down, look at what the teacher is doing, and you can pause the video, then you try your hands on it. Don't just watch the video for watching sake. Make sure to participate in whatever thing you do here. It's very, very important to participate, and it's very, very important to understand applications of percentages, because it's a real life situation aspect we are dealing here. You can meet them anywhere at all. So be very careful when you are treating percentages. Very careful. Understand the concept. Don't just chew them like that. Understand the concept. Understand whatever thing is being taught here. It's very important to participate in mathematics class. Go to class. If you don't understand anything, visit your teachers in school, and I believe they will help you out. Don't forget that the heights reached and kept by great men were not attained by sudden flight. But then, whilst their companions slept, they were toiling upwards in the night. So if you want to get A1 in mathematics, you don't have to sit down and be saying it with your mouth that I'll get A1, I'll get B2, I'll get, let's say, B3. Please and please get yourself involved. Solve questions, solve past questions. And I believe that God will not look down upon you. You get your A1, your B2, or your B3, or your desired result. All right, so let's see this example. 4. A school bag is sold at 594 Ghana cedis. So which means that they've given us the selling price. And don't forget that the selling price is the same thing as the VAT inclusive cost. Don't forget, the selling price is the same thing as the VAT inclusive cost. So which means they've given us to be 594 Ghana cedis, and they're asking us to how much is the VAT charge on the bag. So we have the VAT rate, and our VAT rate is 12.5%. So they're asking us to find how much the VAT is charged on the bag. Now, don't forget, selling price is the same thing as the VAT inclusive cost, which is the same thing as 100 plus X percent. And our basic cost, which is the VAT exclusive cost, is the same thing as 100%. So this is what we are going to use. So now we go. So our VAT inclusive cost is 594, which is the same thing as 100 plus our VAT rate is 12.5, which must all be in percentage. Then our basic cost, we don't know our basic cost, or the VAT exclusive cost, which is 100%. So we can say that 594 is equal to 112.5%. Then the basic cost is equal to 100%. Let's say that the basic cost of the item, and the item here is bag, so of the bag to be equal to, let's say, capital B. So we can say that 594, then we have our B here, which is 112.5%, then 100%. Now again, what we are going to find here is B, and this B, which is 100, is less than 112.5. So if it is less than 112.5, then what you are finding is B. So you can say that If it is less, then we take the more to divide the less. So if less, more divide. So which means that our B will be equal to 100% divided by 112.5% times our basic cost, which is 594. Percentage will cancel percentage. So let's see our basic cost. We take our calculator, 100 divided by 112.5 times 594. So we get 528 for the basic cost. So let's see 528. So therefore, our basic cost is equal to 528 Ghana cedis. So 528 Ghana cedis. Now, what again? How much is the VAT charge on the back? So I said we have two approaches here. Either you take the VAT inclusive cost is equal to the basic cost plus the VAT, or we can say that just take the percentage rate of VAT, then you multiply it by the basic cost. So let's see, our VAT charge is equal to the rate times the basic cost. And our rate here was given as 12.5 over 100 times our basic cost is 528. So we get 12.5 over 100 times the basic cost, which is 528. So which will be 66 Ghana cedis. So we charge 66 Ghana cedis on the bag. So, and the original amount for the bag is 528, which amounted to the VAT inclusive cost, or which amounted to the total cost, which is 594 Ghana cedis. So let's see our last example, then we end here. Let's see our last example.